Hello friends, how's it going? It's me, Betty Jean. In today's video, I'm playing with the new Lethal Cosmetics Wildflower collection. They sent it to me, it just arrived yesterday, and I'm so excited to be playing with this with you. It is such a gorgeous spring collection. I'm super attracted to it, and we're just gonna have fun today. I'm gonna be showing you all the products, close-ups of everything, swatches of everything, and then I will be creating the look that you see right here. I will be playing with this some more over on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, so just stay tuned for that. Before we get into the video itself though, my accessory details. These plugs are Love Kills Boutique. These earrings are from Spooky Doodle Club on Etsy, and this necklace is from, I think, Shop Sun & Co. So yeah, without further ado, I don't wanna babble too long. I just wanna jump into this, so let's dive in and check out the Wildflower collection. We have 4 liquid lipsticks in this collection, and I really like these colors. I think they're fun. I'm excited to play with all of them at some point. They're gorgeous. We have the shades Breeze, Hydra, Lyra, and Phoenix. I think these are just such fun colors. I like that there's kind of this darker grungy purple in the mix of these like springy pinks. I just think this is a fun lineup, and I haven't tried any liquid lipsticks from Lethal Cosmetics before until today, so I'm excited to play more with these. I think these are great colors, definitely colors that I'll personally reach for. We have blushes. Oh my gosh, they came out with 4 new glowy blushes, and they are insane. I'm so excited about them. We have the shades Aster, Carnation, Dandelion, and Pansy. Aster is this beautiful like dusty lavender shade. Carnation is this cute bubblegum pink. Dandelion is this delicious yummy yellow. And Carnation is more of like a richer like berry tone shade. I love that these are all so glowy. This is such a blendable blush formula, and I'm absolutely obsessed with it. I paired 2 of the blushes together for this look today, and I'm just so excited to play more with these. And we have the Wildflower palette. I love the packaging on this. I love how just like sleek and minimalistic Lethal packaging usually is, but I love this. I love the shades of purple. I love the flower design. It's so pretty. And then on the inside, we have 12 lovely, delicious shades. My green one in the middle there kind of exploded in transit, but I was able to smush it back into place. We have such a good variety of textures in here. We have 5 mattes, a satin, 4 duochromes, and 2 trichrome shadows. Now, the satins don't usually do anything for me. It's this peachy shade up here, but I actually really like the effect that it gave my eyes where I did place it today. It just gave a really soft, like glowy filter effect, which if you're gonna put like a light peachy shade in a palette, I'm glad that it at least has like a nice like texture to it. I don't know how to explain it, but for the most part, this palette is everything to me. I could have definitely done without these 2 shades personally and switched them out for something more colorful, but everything else totally screams to my soul. I love that bright pink. This pink is UV reactive. Not that I'm really going out where like black lights are or anything like that, but if you are and you want to wear that shadow, it will glow. I love these different like blues and purpley shades. I love that kind of periwinkly purple in the middle. These shimmers are everything. They are so shiny and so shifty. The trichrome specifically are this one right here, this top shade and this like greenish minty one. I tried to play with a lot of different shimmers today. I did kind of a different eye shape than I usually do, but I managed to use, I think, 4 of the shimmers in this look because I really wanted to showcase them in different ways as much as possible. And I'm just super excited about this. I'm really excited to play with it some more. It's super lovely, super fun, very spring, very inspiring, and I can't wait to play more with it. They also just launched a new brush soap as well. I haven't used it yet, so I can't report on how it is, but there is a brush soap as well in case you needed a new one while you're shopping on their site. So yeah, I think that's all I have to say about the collection. I believe this already launched by the time this video goes up, so you can already shop for it if you want. I'll link everything down below that I can. Hopefully everything is still in stock. But in the meantime, let's just hop in, create the look that you see right here, and then we will chat some more about my overall thoughts at the end of the video. Hello friends, let's dive in and play with these products. There are blushes in this collection, so we're gonna dive into that first. They're so cute. I think today, especially based on like my clothes, I wanna play with the pink and the yellow one. The yellow one's called Dandelion. Let me look up what the pink one is called. So the pink is Carnation and the yellow is Dandelion. That is what I'm gonna use today. I'm gonna start with my Sigma F40 brush with the pink one. Look at that pigment, that's so cute. Let's go nose first. I really like Lethal's glowy blushes. Look at the pigment on that. I'm actually gonna wipe this brush off because I don't need any more. I'm just gonna spread it around. Holy pigment. I like barely tapped my brush in. Honestly, these are like one of my favorite blush formulas ever. I really should use them more than I do. I think the problem is that they're usually like in a palette like this, so I keep them aside with my palettes rather than in individuals, keeping them with like my other blushes. So like I forget about them sometimes, but they are so, so good. I love this shade of pink too. I feel like it makes me look like a little fairy. It is precious. I'm gonna grab just the tiniest bit more and I'm gonna start kind of just pouncing it on, I guess kind of like the lower part of my cheekbone, because I want the yellow to kind of be in this area and kind of fade up from the pink. So I'm just gonna start kind of lightly tippy-tapping it around. It's a really cool shade of pink. I'm really vibing with that. I feel like this is just overall a really good springy collection, just with the vibes and the colors and stuff. I'm really excited about it. Really happy with the overall vibes of that glowy blush, but I do want to add in Dandelion now. I'm gonna take this Sigma Kristen Dominique brush, just gonna grab a little bit, just a teeny bit. I'm even gonna tap it off. And I'm gonna kind of just lightly dust it, kind of almost in my highlighty zone, because I want it to just mesh in with that pink really nicely. And just add like a little, I don't know, just like a soft little pop of color, you know? I think that is a really pretty combo, having just like that dusting of yellow. That's really cute. I might still add another shade like from the palette in as like a face highlight, but for now I'm just gonna leave my cheeks kind of as is and just let the glowy blushes do their thing, and I will add more later. But I'm pretty pleased with that. I think it's cute and just kind of springy ethereal. Getting into the eyes now, and by the way, I definitely will play with that purple blush soon. Fear not. It wasn't the vibe today. But getting into this lovely palette, I'm so excited. It's so pretty. It's just gorgeous. So I'm definitely drawn to this bright pink today, and this green right next to it is really pretty, and I'll definitely use one of the kind of shifty shimmers as well. I kind of want to keep this like a little bit of like a softer ethereal look today, and then I'll do something a little more bold another day. Hope that's fine with you. Just blending out my Sigma eyeshadow primer to start, and then we will go to town with some eyeshadow. So I want to start with the bright pink shadow first. I'm going to use my Singe Beauty E02 brush for this. And I'm going to start by just kind of lightly patting it in this outer corner and almost doing a slight wingy shape with this, just to get kind of a little accent color going on. I like that color. I think that's really pretty. It's so bright, and I'm like barely dusting this on my lid. Kind of like that, just like a little dusting of it. I also want to pop some of this in the front part of my lower lash line. I think that'll add a cute little contrast and accent to this look. Ooh, yeah, I like that. I feel like that like flows in with that really nicely. Now I want to take this light peachy color up here, and I want to use this E03 brush from Singe. Now normally I would easily skip over a shadow like this, but since I'm leaving a good chunk of my lid blank, I'm just going to kind of scoot this around a little bit just to kind of get a little wash of color going on before we go in with some shimmers. However, if this shade wasn't in the palette, I'd be fine just grabbing like any shadow, like any light shadow to do the trick with this. I'm also just going to lightly dust some of that on that lower lash line just to buff out that pink a little bit more, get it a little softer, and kind of same with out here. I'm just using the leftover that's on the brush and just lightly scooting and buffing that out. And then I will re-intensify that pink just a smidge more. Really like this shade of pink. It's so cute. Oh, so I don't even know what I want to do next. I know I want to play with that green shimmer, so let me do that. I'm going to take my NYX glitter primer. I'm going to use my Singe Beauty E04 brush. Just going to grab a little bit of this product. I'm going to tippy tap that, I guess kind of on like the base of my lid, a little bit lower, because I want it to just merge into that pink. And then I'm grabbing that really pretty shimmery minty magical shade, and I'm just going to start lightly. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh my gosh. Just gonna start lightly tapping that kind of across the bottom. And I want it to just kind of fade in with the pink. I'm gonna grab some more pink to re-intensify and blend those together. Oh, I love that. It's so pretty. Grabbing just a smidge more pink. I feel like on my eye, it translates a little more bluey than minty, but I'm not mad at it. I think that's really, really cute. Cute, I love that. Okay, we're just gonna keep playing with shimmers. I just wanna fit as many shimmers as I can on this look. I wanna take this pink shade on the side here. I'm just gonna grab a pencil brush. This is an Alter Ego number 7. Just gonna pick some of that up, and I want this to kind of start on that pink on the bottom, and I want it to just kind of fade across my lower lash line until about halfway across. Just for a cute little shiny pinky sparkle moment. I just simply want to be a fairy today. Look at how pretty those shimmers are. I love that. So let's see, I can do something different in my inner corner and my brow bone. So I think I'm gonna take this baby pink one down here. I wanna take that on my brow bone. This is just a little Game Beauty brush. Cute. That has a really pretty, like, soft, like, seafoam minty shift to it. Ooh, that is cute. Yeah, in person it looks straight up like twinkly seafoam. That's really pretty. And then for the inner corner, maybe this top shade. I think that one is screaming to me. Just gonna use that same Game Beauty brush, but I'm wiping it off first. We're just gonna plop that right there. Ooh, that is bright. It is bright, bright, bright. I'm gonna take just a tiny bit of that first pink again and tap it off. I just want to re-intense the pink in that lower lash line just a smidge. What the heck, maybe also in the outer corner, just for fun. I really like this. This is a very different kind of look than I would typically do, but I really wanted to try to like play with those different shimmers in different ways to kind of show them off as much as possible. I think that's really lovely. And I don't think I want to add any more face highlight or anything, but I do think I am going to add a little bit more yellow blush. So just going to grab a little bit more of that, tap it off. I'm just gonna like lightly pounce it on like the top of my cheekbone. I think that's so pretty. I love the combination of that with the pink. It's just gorgeous. If you've never tried yellow blush before, you just simply have to. It's so pretty. It can be a little scary and intimidating, but it can also look just so fun and colorful, and I really, really like this. Okay, I'm gonna finish up my look now, throw in my mascara and eye pencil. One of the new lipsticks, I'm thinking probably the pink one. I just feel like that suits my vibe today really well. I will be back when I'm complete. Here is my final look complete. I love this. I just feel like a fairy. It is so cute. I love these different shimmers. I'm really excited to continue playing with this palette. I think I'm gonna do something really like dark, grungy, shimmery next, so just stay tuned. I'll probably be doing that soon on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube Shorts. But I love this. I think it came out so good. I like that I did something a little different than I usually do. I just think it's a nice change and I enjoy it. The eye pencil I threw in is Pattaya from Odin's Eye. I just wanted to play with that bright pink some more. And then on my lips, I went with the new Breeze liquid lipstick. I thought it was just like, I don't know, the best shade out of the 4 that came with this collection for this particular look. But then I topped it with Lightscape Gloss from Lethal Cosmetics. So this is the final look. I hope you like it. Let's zoom out and I will give you my thoughts so far. Thank you so much for watching my video playing with the Wildflower collection. I had a lot of fun creating this look and I'm really excited to play more with this collection. Let's start with the lips. Obviously, I'm only wearing one of them, Breeze, and I did top it with a gloss, but it's not because I didn't like the way this felt on my lips. It's just because I simply wanted a shinier look to go with my shiny eyes. But even before I put the gloss on, this felt really comfortable, really lightweight. I like the color of it, and I'm very much looking forward to wearing the other shades at some point, especially that purple. That is such a stunning shade. These blushes are everything to me. These honestly might be my favorite part of the entire collection. I just think they're so good. I love how glowy they are. I love that I was able to layer those 2 blushes together and then get away with not even putting on highlighter because they're so glowy. I just think it's amazing. Dandelion is such a beautiful yellow. I love yellow blush, but I did not have a glowy yellow blush in my collection. So this is something that I didn't have. It fills a hole that I didn't even know that I had in my collection, and I'm really excited about it. I don't think I have a glowy purple either, actually. I think all the purple blushes I have are very like matte and even dark. Really happy to have that one. I'm excited to try it out at some point. The pinks are just so good. Overall, I just love these blushes. 10 out of 10. Super, super excited about these. I like that they managed to have a really good combination of super crazy pigmented, but also very glowy and so easy to blend. These are just amazing blushes. And we have the Wildflower palette. This is just so fun. I'm pretty sure all of these are available as singles as well, by the way, just in case you only want a couple shades. But I'm loving this so far. Obviously, I only used the one matte and the one satin, but I mean, I was really happy with how they performed. They performed like I am used to with lethal shadows. In my experience, lethal shadows are just very pigmented, but very easy to work with, very easy to blend. I don't typically have patchiness issues or anything like that, but I am excited to dive in and play with more of the mattes in this palette that I haven't touched yet. The shimmers are just so good. I keep staring at my eyes. Everything keeps shifting in different ways, and it is just making me so happy. I am really impressed with these shimmers. Lethal always has really good shimmers, but these are just, oh, they're so yummy. Again, if I had to change anything, I would have just swapped these 2 out for something more bright and colorful, but overall, I'm really happy with this. I like that there's so many shifty shadows in here because they all like offer something different, offer kind of a different flip to them. And I'm so happy about this. So thank you again, Lethal, for sending this over. I'm very much looking forward to playing some more, and I would love to hear your thoughts. What do you think of this collection? Did you pick anything up? Do you want to pick anything up? Do you like the look I created today? I feel like a fairy, and I am so happy about it. If you made it to the end of this video, why don't you leave some flower emoji since it's the Wildflower collection? And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It helps my channel out a lot. And if you're not already, you can follow me on my other socials. You can join the battybean fam. I am battybean on everything, Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. And if you want, you can subscribe. If you want to see more of my videos, I'm posting most days here as well. Also, you can join my channel membership if you would like. The link to sign up will be down below. You'll get a cute little bat badge next to your name, exclusive cute little spooky emojis, and you will get a members only Get Ready With Me once a month. April's has already been posted, so you already have one to watch. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Okay, bye. Absol, are you lost? I can hear you crying. Come here, baby. Absol. Come on. Hi, baby. Come here. Come here, baby. You gotta come pay the cat tax now. Come here. Oh, there we go. Hi, buddy. Say hello. Sometimes he gets lost, and Zane just left for work, so he was probably just checking to make sure one of us is still here, and he's probably gonna hang out in here for the duration of my filming now.